Thermodyne shelf replacement. First, disconnect your Thermodyne unit from its power source and allow cooling to a safe temperature or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you will remove the stainless steel panels covering the left and right sides of the unit. Follow the steps to remove the heat transfer fluid before replacing a shelf. Using the 3/4 inch open-end wrench, unscrew fitting C from fitting B. Unscrew fittings B and D in a counterclockwise motion and remove. Both of these steps will need to be performed on both sides of the Thermodyne unit. You can now remove the old shelf and place the new shelf in position. To secure the new shelf, replace fittings B and D, turning clockwise approximately 2 full turns. This will also need to be performed on both sides of the unit. After all 4 of the fittings have been started, tighten each of them down firmly. Tighten fittings C and B together on both sides of the unit. After attaching and tightening the shelf properly, add the appropriate amount of fluid to the heater tank and reattach all covers and panels. After you turn the Thermodyne unit on, it will power down due to low heat transfer fluid levels. Add the appropriate amount of fluid to the heater tank, restore the unit's power, and check it for proper operation. After the unit has operated for several minutes, remove both of the side panels to ensure that no portion of the unit is leaking to finish the process.